Hi, I'm Chloe from the Technological University of the Philippines. I'm taking a Bachelor of Graphics Technology major in Industrial Design. I joined Inventive Media to further expand my skills in IT. Inventive Media offers a wide variety of computer courses ranging from the programming, web development, graphic designing, video editing, and digital marketing, network and security, starting from the basics to more advanced techniques. What caught my interest is the unique teaching style of instructors. They are very approachable and highly skilled. I have attended classes where I have no knowledge of, but surprisingly, I was able to have a comprehensive understanding of the program. Being part of Inventive Media has been an enriching experience that gave me opportunities to assess my strengths and weaknesses. I gain knowledge and I'm looking forward to expand my learning journey, especially with you here in Inventive Media. See you!